This song is for you, and you, and you, and you. The world is changing all around me. Forces of evil trying to drown me. TV, paper, magazine, it's all the same story. Species of mankind repeating his story. People hating, mothers crying, bodies aching, children dying, lost in darkness, nowhere to go. This powder keg is about to blow. So when I look back on my yesterday, I can stand up, smile and say, it's wonderful to be alive, to see the sun shining in the blue sky. Wonderful to be alive, alive, alive. Grateful to be alive today. Can't complain, no, it's a brand new day. Grateful to be alive, alive, alive. Verse 2. It's a daily struggle to live, but the positives outweigh the negatives. Can't complain about my situations, cause they could be much worse than they really are. Place to sleep, food to eat, clothes to wear, air to breathe. Times are hard, times are rough. Got peace of mind, that's enough. So when I look back on my yesterday, I can stand up, smile